Milestone Mafia.
We gon' party like it's your birthday.
To celebrate another trip around the sun, I got myself something special. And don't forget, you too can give me a wonderful gift. All I want for my birthday is a like and subscribe. All I want for my birthday is a like and subscribe. But for real, thank you all. You're much appreciated for all the birthday wishes. So with that said, let us take flight on this special Born Day edition of Got 'em Tardy.
What is your profession? It's me, bitches.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
It's time to bust this corner, y'all. So screw your shit on tight and enjoy the flight.
And as always, beholdenly humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. And today, as you saw in the thumbnail and description, we are clear for takeoff with the PJ Tucker times Nike Flight 89 Sky Blue. Alright, so what's up with this pair? PJ Tucker, veteran NBA 3-and-D swingman, is widely known amongst the sneaker community as one of its greatest collectors. Now, collecting them is one thing, but PJ Tucker takes it to a whole nother level. And as a true sneakerhead who believes if you're not wearing your shoes, it doesn't count, wear your shoes. He be having me in awe, like literally playing in NBA games with some like Grail level shoes. It's like absolutely ridiculous. I mean, at the end of the day, they are basketball shoes, right? So Tucker, along with his boutique, The Better Generation, which is located in Houston, connected with Nike to celebrate the 35th anniversary of the Flight 89 by telling his journey as a basketball player from his roots as a North Carolina native to his days of playing overseas. Now, this drop was exclusive to TBG and was limited to only 472 pairs. The inspiration for that specific number being drawn from the Boeing 777-300 airplane, which only has 472 assigned seats. Now, my assumption is that this is the type of airplane that he would travel in as he was going from game to game while he was playing in Europe. These released back in May. So right about now, the prices that people are asking for these are literally in the stratosphere.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
But hey, it's my birthday, so I booked myself a flight.
That's the joke.
First, we have this special edition box, which you can see draws inspiration from being in the sky, way above the clouds. Just in case you didn't know, I thought it was cool that they also put it in French as basically a nod to the airplane, which is typically used by Air France. It comes with a Better Generation flight card, which gives you all the information of the Boeing 777. Your seat number can be located on the back of the tongue of each shoe. Now that is some fly shit. And then we have the shoe. And my first impression out the box,
This is air traffic control. You're cleared for takeoff.
this is, as they would say, the only way to fly. All right, let's get into this. Now the colorway, sky blue, kind of like an homage to North Carolina where, you know, obviously we all know North Carolina blue. But PJ is from Raleigh. I guess Nike really wasn't gonna let him put Duke colors on the shoe, so, you know, whatever. This pebbled leather though is ultra luxe. It gives it a very bespoke feel. Tumbled leather on the white swoosh to match the eyelets, branding in the laces. This cream hit on the midsole, woo. Flight PJ17 on the heel panel, yeah, that's dope. High quality on the shoe tree is appreciated. Keeping the theme on the insoles to match the outsoles. But behind the tongue is gonna be the main attraction. Looks like I'm in seat 48C. I'm sure that's towards the back, but hey, just happy to be on the flight. I've been eyeing these like literally all year since I took the L on that raffle from the Better Generation, and whoever accepted my bid on these, thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I will enjoy my flight. It's probably one of the best birthday gifts I've given myself. I really can't stop looking at this shoe. It's a unique, not a very popular model, but I mean, I think that it's just, yeah, it's like that. So there we have it, PJ Tucker's Flight 89. What a way to kick off the last month of the year, and also equally, if not more importantly, my birthday. And obviously, if you're still here, it's because you're enjoying it. So go ahead and like the video, go ahead and drop a comment what you thought about the shoes. Matter of fact, if there was a shoe that you were gonna get for your birthday, what shoe would it be? And of course, if you wanna become a friend of ours, you can subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. Next up, it is December. We got a couple of in-depth videos probably lined up for that. So y'all be on the lookout for that. We're gonna make a handful of movies here before the end of the year. And of course, we're gonna drop our top 10 of 2024. Y'all be on the lookout for that one. But other than that, I want you to stay blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Captain, how soon can you land?
I can't tell.
You can tell me I'm a doctor.
No, I mean, I'm just not sure.
Once again, I greatly appreciate all the birthday wishes and the shout outs that I'll be getting, not just here on YouTube, but also on the other socials and all that, man. That does not go unnoticed, and I mean it when I say that I'm absolutely blessed for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. So with that said, you know what it is. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these.